Converged infrastructure was designed to drive more efficiency in your data center. And in many ways, technologies like FlexPod and vBlock, or more recently, hyper-converged infrastructures like Nutanix, do a fantastic job of making deployment of applications and services much simpler. But IT still works in silos, and when you add converged infrastructures into the mix, the pain of working in silos becomes that much more apparent. Let's take a look at an example. So when a service issue happens, is it the application, the OS the application is running in, or the virtual machine the OS is sitting on? It could also be the bare metal infrastructure the VM is sitting on, or the network connection between the VM and the storage line. Or it could possibly be the network connection between the end user and the application itself. There's a lot of different options involved and a lot of different IT departments that are actually involved in solving this issue, making it very, very complex. We can dramatically simplify that. Let me show you how. So here's a small FlexPod deployment that's sitting in our lab right now. We've automatically discovered the UCS chassis, blades, and service profiles, as well as the NetApp volumes and LUNs. And for VMware, the ESXi hosts, VMs, and so on. But what's really cool is that we can also automatically detect and map the dependencies between these different elements, dramatically cutting down on the time to find root cause. While we come with a number of these dependencies out of the box, you can also build your own that will automatically be detected when they are spotted. Let's look at a real-world example. So right now we're looking at an event screen. And in this event screen, we see a NetApp volume that is over 97% used. And if we don't find out which VMs are actually using that volume and find the culprit that's using the most of it, we could have a major service issue on our hands across multiple VMs. So let's drill into that volume. We can see a number of key metrics, but we also see that the volume has a one-to-one relationship with the VMware data store. Let's drill into that data store. When we drill into that data store, we see all the VMs that are driving the storage to the NetApp volume. From here, we can easily spot which VM is hogging the storage and realign it to its own LUN. We've just seen how a Tier 1 operator can find the root cause of a converged infrastructure in just 2 clicks. If you want to see more product videos, or just learn more about ScienceLogic, please visit us at www.sciencelogic.com or follow us on Twitter at ScienceLogic.